Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Apple. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 27th of January, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 27th of January, 2025, our system has rated Apple as a hold accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.16. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently shows a loss of 0.00% since our initial hold accumulate recommendation. The stock currently rests within the lower segment of a broad and weak rising trend in the short term, which typically presents a favorable buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor, set at $223.51, be broken, it will initially signify a deceleration in the rising rate. Additionally, this may serve as an early warning for a potential trend shift. The ongoing 3-month trend indicates a possible change of approximately 5.21% over the next 3 months, with anticipated returns ranging between 2.30% and 20.45%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of about 43.02% over the upcoming 12 months, with potential returns between 38.81% and 64.95%. This translates to a price range of $319.07 to $379.15 after a year. Our latest daily update for Apple features the headline, Apple stock upgraded from sell candidate to hold accumulate after Monday trading session. The Apple stock price experienced an increase of 3.18% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 27th of January, 2025, rising from $222.78 to $229.86. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated by 3.64%, with a low of $224 and a high of $232.15. The price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days, resulting in a decline of 2.95% for this period. Notably, volume increased on the last day alongside the price, marking a positive technical sign, with a total of 42 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 94 million shares changed hands, amounting to approximately $21.64 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock reached $260.09, while the lowest price was $164.08. Currently, the price stands at 11.62%, or $30.23, below the 52-week high of $260.09, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Apple has taken a significant step in its technology strategy by rolling out Apple Intelligence automatically in its latest software update for iPhones, iPads, and Macs. This move is expected to enhance user experience and potentially drive higher customer engagement, which could have a positive long-term effect on the company's services revenue. Despite facing challenges like stagnant sales and disappointing iPhone performance, Apple shares have recently bucked the downward trends affecting other tech giants, particularly during the artificial intelligence sector's turmoil associated with China's DeepSeek. Analysts indicate that Apple is well-positioned amid these market disruptions, suggesting that its strategic focus on artificial intelligence may be paying off. In the short term, investor sentiment may remain cautious due to mixed indicators leading up to Apple's first quarter earnings report, especially regarding its sales in China and broader market conditions. However, the default activation of Apple Intelligence could provide a competitive edge that revitalizes interest and boosts stock performance. While January has historically been challenging for Apple, its resilience against sector-wide declines hints at a potential recovery as it navigates through economic uncertainties. Stock traders will likely keep a close watch on upcoming earnings to gauge the impact of these strategic moves on Apple's financial health moving forward. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 21st of January, 2025, it was reported that Needham assigned Apple Inc. a buy grade accompanied by a hold action. On Thursday, the 9th of January, 2025, Barclays rated Apple Inc. as underweight, also taking a hold action. On Tuesday, the 7th of January, 2025, MoffettNathanson issued a sell grade for Apple Inc., recommending a downgrade action. On Friday, the 3rd of January, 2025, Bernstein gave Apple Inc. an outperform grade with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 18th of December, 2024, Daiwa rated Apple Inc. as outperform, also advising a hold action. Analysts have assigned Apple stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Apple. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, January 21, 2025, and so far, it has risen about 3.24%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been established. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may influence short-term developments. The Apple stock currently holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average presents a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, there is an overall sell signal for the stock, suggesting a more negative outlook. With further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $242.69. Should the stock decline, it will find some support from the short-term average at $225.86. A breakout above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will introduce another sell signal, reinforcing the overall negative signal. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals that may intrigue you. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggest a buy signal from 5 days ago. Bollinger also indicates a buy signal from 5 days ago. The short-term moving average shows a buy signal from 2 days ago. The long-term moving average presents a sell signal from 14 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages points to a buy signal from 12 days ago. Looking at the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a sell signal from 17 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal from 8 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages reveals a buy signal from 172 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Apple has established a support level at $228.26, which may present a buying opportunity. An upward reaction is anticipated when this support level is tested. The stock experiences average daily movements, and with robust trading volume, the associated risk is categorized as medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $8.15 between its highest and lowest prices, reflecting a change of 3.64%. During the previous week, the daily average volatility of the stock was 2.37%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Apple, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This PE ratio is relatively normal, often observed in companies with established track records or predictable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is expected on the 30th of January, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $2.36. It's important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple is at $229.98. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this may be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Apple encounters its first support level at $228.26. If this support level holds, it could be a promising entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Apple from various analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the first day of January in 2025, Parek Kevon executed an insider purchase of 36,767 shares of restricted stock unit. On the 16th day of December in 2024, Williams Jeffrey E. carried out an insider sale of 13,925 shares of common stock. On the same day, Williams Jeffrey E. also sold 34,752 shares of common stock. On that same day, Williams Jeffrey E. conducted another sale of 42,939 shares of common stock. Additionally, on the 16th of December, Williams Jeffrey E. sold 8,384 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 27.479. In summary, insiders purchased 2,096,037 shares and sold 3,807,852 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $217.81, reflecting a decrease of 5.24%. This stock exhibits medium daily movements, indicating a medium level of risk. A buy signal has been identified from a pivot bottom that was established 4 days ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? Apple presents several positive indicators. However, we believe these are insufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, we recommend considering it as a hold or accumulate option while we await further developments. Our assessment for this stock has been revised since the last evaluation, upgrading it from a sell recommendation to a hold or accumulate candidate. Upon reviewing the volatility and activities from the most recent trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price appears to be overvalued. Looking ahead to trading on Tuesday, the 28th of January, we anticipate that Apple will open lower, around $1.19 down, and begin trading at $228.67. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and you should consult a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. It is important not to base your investment choices solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.